The king cobra, scientifically known as Ophiophagus hanna, is one of the world's most venomous snakes. It gets its name, king, due to its imposing size and regal appearance. These snakes are primarily found in the forests and jungles of Southeast Asia. King cobras are renowned for their impressive length, often reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters. They have distinctive coloration, featuring olive green scales with yellow bands and a pale yellow underside. The hood of a king cobra can spread out wide, making it an iconic and intimidating sight. These snakes are excellent hunters and mainly prey on other snakes, including venomous ones. King cobras possess highly potent venom, capable of taking down an adult elephant in a matter of hours. Despite their fearsome reputation, king cobras are generally reclusive and prefer to avoid human contact. They are solitary creatures, except during mating season when males and females come together. Female king cobras are known for their protective nature and will fiercely guard their eggs. A king cobra's diet primarily consists of reptiles, birds, and small mammals. They have excellent vision during daylight hours and are known for their keen sense of smell. These snakes are considered an apex predator in their ecosystem, playing a crucial role in controlling other snake populations. They belong to a separate genus known as Ophiophagus. They are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. The king cobra's distinctive hissing sound earned it the nickname, hissing cobra. Despite their deadly venom, these snakes are vital to their ecosystems, maintaining a balance in the food chain.